Hey everybody, this is Mom Party. I'm Jessica, and we're gonna make this adorable sign for your front porch today. If you could do me a huge favor and like and subscribe, that would be amazing. High five. I think he can hear me and he's like, it's time to party! I just like paint over it if it's a disaster, right? He's saying E-I-E-I-O. He would like me to sing Old MacDonald to him. I'm prepping for my next video and I need to sand this like plank of wood that I have. So I thought I would take you guys with me. If you'd like a tutorial on my look today, that's coming soon. Also, a tutorial on how to keep your kitchen so clean. So, because I'm super organized and always prepared, the only kind of mask I have is one of these that you wear at the doctor's office, but I figured it's better than nothing. Also, just in case you thought this was some like top-rate production that we've got going on here, I would like to show you just what my camera is being propped up on. That would be my son's water table that is full of acorns that he's found when we go for walks. It's a real classy joint over here. I have this sign that I made a couple of years ago, and I don't have anywhere to put it up at where we are in North Carolina now. So I am just gonna sand off what I had painted and reuse it instead of buying something completely new. If you hear squealing, it's my son. We're in between 1 and 2 naps, so looks like we're skipping our second nap today. I think he can hear me and he's like, it's time to party! If you watched my doormat video, then you had the pleasure of seeing me struggle with this stencil material. It works so much better if you use it on the materials that it says that it works on. Imagine that. So this is that piece of wood that I sanded. I just spray painted the front with a white spray paint. I have positioned the letters exactly where I want them. This is my husband. He has to go into our room and put his headphones on when I film because it's awkward. There's so much space at the top and the bottom of my size piece of wood that I'm gonna do like 2 little stripes across the top, and we're gonna do that with painter's tape. I'm also going to put some painter's tape along this edge because my stencil material doesn't go all the way to the edge, and I don't want to accidentally paint any of the white that I don't want to paint, obviously. Once again, I'm going to be using my black outdoor paint because this is meant to go by our front door. So I'm just making sure the edges are completely sealed so that none of the paint bleeds through. I just like paint over it if it's a disaster, right? I'm gonna take the stencil material and the painter's tape off before it all dries. For a second I thought I had misspelled autumn. I wouldn't have been surprised if I had done that. A-U-T-U-M, autumn. This is correct. Very easy, super cute. It's gonna look great on your front porch. And it's gonna look so good with my fall mat that I made. And my next video is going to be a fall themed wreath. To see this finished product, check out my Instagram at MomPartyYT.